So 4 days later, it's 4:30 in the morning, and we're a mile or so away from Taiohae Bay. Fan-bloomin-tastic. The Aranui is just past us, going outwards, so there should be fruit and veg, which is quite nice. And we're just plodding along at not many knots, just with the main up, waiting to go in the light. But it's nearly there, we're nearly light. Hasn't been a very pleasant journey, I have to say. First couple of days were just squalls and big choppy seas. The last day has been no wind whatsoever, so we've had to motor. And just sailing at wind and trying to stick on a course has been quite stressful. And for some reason I've been seasick the whole time. Not badly seasick, just slightly nauseous. Quite annoying. Anyway, there we are, we're nearly here. The sun's coming up. And before you know it, we'll be back anchored in Nuku Hiva and fixing a load of stuff that's broken. Awesome. Brilliant, so we've arrived, we're in, it's just started raining. So we sorted out the anchor chain, which is all knotted up. And that, Evan Hostad, is the last time I allow you onto the helm.
Well, you're a shocker.
Maybe you should ask me to
What
drive
happened?
in that case. Don't want me to draw. Maybe you don't want me to drive either.
I know you don't like driving, but all the same.
I'd say he's got a talent for it, actually. That was really difficult. I tried doing one of them when we were waiting outside Raroya.
Did you?
It wasn't nearly as good.
You boys are shockers.
Wasn't nearly as good as that, but we were bashing against the current at the time. Evan has got perfect etch-a-sketch conditions here.
Etch-a-sketch condition.
What a shocker.
What a shocker.
That can't go on YouTube. What would Granny say?
Hey you. Yes. We've been turning around for too long, I think.
Ray's in the water.
Manta rays.
Yeah.
Where?
See the little wing flapping over.
Oh, yeah. I'm an artiste.
An artiste.
It's an artiste.
I am.
Artiste, he's mad.
Boys, just had a message from Ryan. He wants to know how you've lasted all this time without the internet. It's been nearly a month. How have you survived?
I haven't enjoyed that part of it, certainly. But we've had
Biscuits.
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 You've
had things to do. Which
In the two motors, there was actually you could go swimming or go explore islands and stuff. It wasn't very fun on the passage, but there was sailing to distract you. So.
But you've been watching YouTube all the time.
Oh yeah, there is that as well. We before we left, we had about a week of constant Wi-Fi access, which was brilliant. So me and Evan both downloaded all of YouTube. So on the passage, we've been swapping phones and watching each other's YouTube videos. So yeah, that's good.
Excellent. And how have you managed, Dadster?
Without the internet? Very well. It's been a bit of a tricky thing trying to organise the repairs for the windlass, but it's amazing what you can do with really slow email.
You even managed to speak to the bank on a satellite phone.
I didn't.
That was stressful.
Yeah, didn't manage.
entertaining.
Yeah, that took 3 goes because the phone call will only last 5 minutes before the satellite moves out of range and it drops and you have to ring again.
Go through security again.
I have to go through security again. But luckily, I spoke to the same lady twice, which was just unbelievable. So she managed to shortcut a whole load of process on the 3rd call because I'd gone through it on the 1st call. So it all worked out beautifully.
Excellent.
Happy days.
Good. Epic, boys. So, here in boat school, Evan, today,
Boat school.
what are we going to do?
We're gonna stab the heart.
So our friends on Ascari, Andrew and Carolyn, accidentally brought,
Loads and loads of calf hearts.
thinking it was meat.
Yeah. Well, it is a bit.
And they're
meat.
working their way through them slowly, aren't they?
Yeah,
However, we thought it was a good opportunity
To do some biology.
to do some biology.
Yay! Woo!
So, what can you tell me about the heart?
It goes ba-dump, and then you are alive. If it stops going ba-dump, then you die.
So you've got these ones. What do you think these are? 2 arteries and 2 veins. Yeah. Where's that one go? Ew! That's up there.
Along that vein.
You're going to have to hold the thing with your fingers.
No, I don't.
With your fingers.
Ew, it's yucky. Not as yucky as the brain, though.
It's not going to make you pass out on the brain, is it? Yeah. Nice clean cut, young man.
We'll
You're in
get
there,
there
Sam.
in the end.
What are you doing, Sammy? What? You're loving it?
No.
Are you regretting taking chemistry instead of biology?
No.
That bit there comes out there, look.
Maybe it was a defective cow.
See, no, it goes up here. This is the pulmonary vein going into the heart, and then it gets squeezed, I think, and then it gets oxygenated blood, and then deoxygenated blood comes via the vena cava, yeah? Probably the way around, but I think it's there. So thank you to Carolyn and Andrew for giving up one of their hearts. I'd love to be able to say
We've only got one left.
we're now not going to waste this, and obviously
Yeah,
we're
for
going to
2
eat
of them.
it.
No,
But,
we're going to chuck it over.
But that's so not the case.
Yeah, it is.
You're going to try dangling it over the board and see if we can catch a shark.
Let's see if we can catch a shark.
I stab it.
Should we do that? That's a bloody good idea. Right, next job. Let's see if we can catch a shark. What do you think?
The ship.
Part of the ship, part of the crew, part of the ship, part of the crew. Are they just not hungry?
Well, they're sharks. They're always hungry.
So the shark fishing's not going well then, Ed?
No. Not going very well. Shark fishing.
And the manta rays are not going to be interested.
No, they're vegetarian.
Yeah, well, not exactly, but they are filter feeders.
But basically.
So, isn't it?
Won't your heartstrings be your tendon?
Yeah, those are your heartstrings, aren't they? And what are your tendons holding?
Yeah, your one-way valves.
Yeah, your bicuspids and your tricuspids.
If your
Awesome.
heartstrings break,
Every day's a school day, Ed.
you're dead. So I just want to hit someone.
Well, Sam's next to you. Good job done then, yeah?
Yeah.
Good work.
That's Maceballs. Love Mate. He's always been my favourite.
So we were just walking up the hill,
Boys.
just kind of nowhere, and Mate, one of the locals, has stopped and picked us up. So that he's going to take us up to the viewpoint, and then we'll walk down the other side. What a lovely chap. This is a lot further than we thought. It'll be a lovely long walk back, Sam, but got all day, haven't we?
Yeah, we've got all day.
Got all day.
Yeah.
Free.
And we've got a packet of biscuits, so it doesn't matter if we get back after lunch.
Or on Wednesday.
Or on Wednesday, yeah.
10 minutes later, we're still driving.
Still driving.
I'm slightly worried about getting back to the boat now.
What, the boat down there?
Yeah, that's the one.
So think of the photos, guys. Think of the photos.
Think of the photos.
Yeah, I'm getting worried now.
You're getting
Is it
worried.
taking us to the top?
Possibly.
Pretty close to the way to the top.
Forgotten we're here. I think we've been kidnapped. As if forgotten we're here.
Yeah, it's that viewpoint up there.
Just past the viewpoint. Perhaps it's taking us to another viewpoint.
Maybe it's taking us to the one all the way up on top.
It is, look at that. Amazing. Yay, he's stopping.
Everybody out before it changes its mind. Oh, that is perfect.
That is a brilliant view though.
Hop out, Samster.
Let's go, leave.
Thank you so much. Yay. Yeah, take care, Matty. See you again.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Matty.
No problem.
Love you.
Any chain or rope or something?
Chain or rope? Why? So
Zip
we
line
can
down.
zip line back.
Yes, see on these. See
What?
these wires.
Oh yeah.
Oh, the electric wires, yeah. Look at that though, guys. Look at that view.
Suit or a parachute?
I didn't bring a wingsuit. No, I didn't think to be honest. I didn't think to pack the parachute either, or the plane.
That's it.
I know.
Not a plane.
Bring a car though.
Oh, yeah, no, forgot the car as
Damn.
well.
This is going to be interesting.
What an amazing view though, eh? These, I can't remember what you said these trees are called, the ones with the like flat tops.
Acacia.
Is that acacia? Sam, you're amazing, you've got a memory.
No, it's just played Minecraft.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So they're in
Well, acacia trees are on Minecraft.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
I-
Boys, really.
What?
Right, come on then, let's go, let's get walking. Evan,
Yeah.
Stop
what are you
throwing
doing with my
lemons.
limes?
Just in case the car's trying to hit me, throw it at it.
Throw a lime at them.
Or if Sam annoys me, just throw a lime at him. Both for valid reasons.
Wow. The scenery here in Nuku Hiva is just gobsmacking. Absolutely amazing. Even just walking down the main road towards the main town, there's so much wildlife around, so many birds, so many amazing trees. Limes and coconuts, bananas and mangoes, breadfruit, all just hanging from some of the trees. Just out of reach, Norman. Typical. Quite amazing though. So lucky to be here at this time when it's all gone a bit wrong in the rest of the world. Maybe a bit of a long walk down, but I'm quite looking forward to it. Oh,
Good afternoon.
isn't that good?
It is.
Beautiful. Look at the size of these mangoes. Oh, huge.
Huge.
Seriously gobsmacking. Just beautiful. Look at that behind me. Amazing. Amazing.
One of them.
So what are you thinking so far of our, Sam, of our amazing journey?
Yeah, it's good.
Is that all you can say?
Yeah, it's going to be a long one.
I'm going to give up.
No, don't give up. I'm looking forward to the walk back.
Yes.
Let's have
in there.
Wow. Look at those coconut trees.
Yes, we need some.
You don't need those landing on your head, do you? And look at these. Bananas.
Yeah.
We're on the lookout for mangoes and limes, guys, yeah? So, and bananas if we can find any. But they're all been a bit, a bit far up so far. He's trying to get up high.
No, quite the opposite. Oh no, I can't get down that low anymore.
Good, so you're right. Stop eating.
What was that?
A local has just passed us, boys. Jogging in jelly shoes. Jogging up this hill in jelly shoes. Amazing.
Yeah. Even more insane than we are.
We're not insane, we're perfectly normal. So that's the viewpoint we were at before, up there,
Yes, indeed.
right at the top. Good. A bit more walking to do then.
Only a little bit, we're nearly there.
Here we are, back on the main road. Back down towards the village. How long have we been going for, Des?
How long have we been going for? About an hour and a half, I think.
Hour and a half.
Hour and a half.
Not so bad. Ah, we missed the shop.
Missed the shop, he's devastated.
It's devastating. Oh, bless him.
Devastated.
It shuts at 12 though, so we would have missed it anyway.
Yeah.
Come on. There's cold drink on the boat. We've just got to get back to the boat, yeah?
Yes.
You right, Sam? It's only been a 2 hour walk. I don't know what you're thinking about.
It's blimmin' hot though.
It is blimmin' hot. Never mind, it's been an adventure. Hasn't it, Ev?
Yeah, it has. Adventure. Woo!
Oh dear. Evan doesn't love adventure anymore, do you?
No.
You just want to sit in front of a computer screen.
Also, no. No, not really. I do like adventure.
You do like adventure still.
Yes, adventure that I know is happening at least a little while before we do it.
Well, none of us knew this adventure was happening.
Yeah, I suppose.
Never mind. It's been good. I've had a lovely, lovely morning.
I have been good morning this one.
Now I'm going to go home and get a cold drink, probably a shower, then I'm going to go back to sleep.
Sleep. Oh,
Middle of the day.
Yeah,
Sunday.
perfect time to sleep. Yes, stay at rest.
Days.
kids these days.
Ah.
So a well-deserved stop, boys.
Oh, very well deserved. Why?
I definitely.
Well, oh, I should stop. Shall we see how far we've gone?
Yes, please.
Anyone care to know? Total distance from top of hill was 10,354 steps.
10,000 steps.
5 point-
10,000 steps.
5.1 miles.
Very well-deserved homemade lemonade. From the
Officially an
shop.
impressive workout.
It is. We're officially impressive.
Yeah!
Next time it's Christmas in French Polynesia.
Super glue!
Adventure.